Create your vision board for 2025 success. As the new year begins, the possibilities for growth, transformation, and achievement are endless. A vision board is one of the most powerful tools to harness your goals and turn your dreams into reality. By creating a visual representation of your aspirations, you align your focus, ignite your motivation, and clarify the steps needed to achieve your desired outcomes. This essay delves into the purpose and benefits of a vision board, provides practical guidance on creating one, and explores how to use it effectively to make 2025 your most successful year yet. The power of vision boards. 1. What is a vision board? A vision board is a collection of images, words, and symbols representing your goals, dreams, and intentions. Typically arranged on a physical or digital surface, a vision board serves as a visual reminder of what you want to achieve and who you aspire to become. The concept of a vision board is rooted in the principles of visualization and the law of attraction. By focusing on what you want, you train your mind to recognize opportunities and take action toward achieving your goals. 2. Why vision boards work? Vision boards work because they engage the subconscious mind. Seeing your goals represented visually daily reinforces your intentions and keeps them in mind. This process activates your brain's reticular activating system (RAS), which filters information and helps you notice opportunities that align with your goals. Moreover, vision boards foster emotional engagement. When you see images that inspire you or evoke positive feelings, you strengthen your belief in the possibility of achieving your goals. This belief translates into increased motivation, focus, and action. 3. Benefits of vision boards. Creating and using a vision board offers several benefits. Clarity. A vision board helps you define what you truly want by distilling your dreams into specific goals. Focus. It keeps your attention on your priorities, reducing distractions and indecision. Motivation. The visual and emotional connection to your aspirations drives you to act consistently. Positivity. Vision boards cultivate an optimistic mindset by reminding you of the opportunities ahead. Accountability. Seeing your goals regularly holds you accountable for pursuing them. Steps to create your vision board for 2025. Step 1. Reflect on your goals. Before you start crafting your vision board, take time to reflect on your aspirations for 2025. Consider the following areas of your life. Career. What professional achievements do you want to accomplish? A promotion, a new job, or starting your own business? Health. Do you want to focus on physical fitness, mental well-being, or a balanced lifestyle? Relationships. What kind of connections do you want to nurture with family, friends, or a partner? Personal growth. Are there skills you want to learn, hobbies to explore, or books to read? Finance. What financial goals are important to you, saving, investing, or paying off debt? Travel and experiences. Are there places you want to visit or experiences you wish to have? Jot down your thoughts in a journal or notebook and identify the goals that matter most to you. Step 2. Gather materials. Once you have clarity on your goals, gather the materials to bring your vision board to life. You can create a physical or digital vision board, depending on your preference. For a physical vision board, a poster board, corkboard, or large piece of paper. Magazines, newspapers, and printed images, scissors, glue, tape, and push pins. Markers, stickers, or decorative items for a digital vision board. A design tool like Canva, Pinterest, or Google Slides. Access to online images, graphics, and quotes. Step 3. Find inspirational images and words. Look for images, words, and quotes that resonate with your goals. These can come from magazines, websites, or personal photos. For example, if you aim to improve your health, find pictures of nutritious meals, exercise routines, or inspiring fitness quotes. If you dream of traveling, include images of your desired destinations. If you want financial success, incorporate symbols like dollar signs, savings graphs, or luxury items. Make sure each element of your vision board reflects something meaningful to you. The more emotionally connected you are to the images, the more your vision board will be more powerful. Step 4. Organize and assemble. Arrange your images, words, and symbols on your board in an intuitive and inspiring way. You can group them by category, for example, career, health, relationships, or create a more fluid design. There's no right or wrong way to organize your vision board. Let your creativity flow. Use glue, tape, or pins to secure your items for physical boards. For digital boards, use a design tool to position your elements. Add finishing touches like doodles, stickers, or handwritten notes to personalize your board. Step 5. Set your intentions. Please take a moment to reflect on your vision board once it's complete. As you look at each image or word, visualize yourself achieving that goal. Imagine how it feels, what it looks like, and how it impacts your life. This intentional visualization reinforces your commitment to making your dreams a reality. How to use your vision board effectively. 1. Place it where you'll see it. Daily, the key to a successful vision board is consistent exposure. Place your physical vision board where you'll see it daily, such as your bedroom, office, or a prominent wall. Save digital vision boards as your phone or desktop wallpaper, or keep them easily accessible on your device. 2. Visualize and affirm daily. Spend a few minutes each day looking at your vision board and visualizing your goals. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you've depicted. Repeat positive affirmations that align with your goals, such as "I am confident and successful" or "I am on my way to financial freedom." 3. Take inspired action. A vision board is not just about dreaming, it's about doing. Use your board as a guide to identify actionable steps toward your goals. Break down big dreams into smaller, achievable tasks and commit to making progress every day. 4. Update and evolve. As you grow and accomplish your goals, your vision board should evolve with you. Periodically review it to ensure it still reflects your aspirations. Add new elements, replace outdated ones, and celebrate the milestones you've achieved. 5. Celebrate your wins. Every time you achieve a goal on your vision board, take a moment to celebrate. Acknowledging your progress reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed and motivates you to keep going. Real-life examples of vision board success. The concept of vision boards has gained popularity among individuals and celebrities, entrepreneurs, and leaders who credit their success to this practice. Oprah Winfrey, for instance, has spoken extensively about how visualizing her goals helped her manifest career milestones and personal achievements. In everyday life, countless people have shared stories of how their vision boards led to job promotions, improved relationships, financial success, and dream vacations. The common thread in these stories is not just creating the board, but the consistent effort to align actions with intentions. Vision boards for 2025. Themes to consider. As you craft your vision board for 2025, consider incorporating themes that resonate with this new chapter in your life. Growth and learning. Reflect a commitment to learning new skills, reading books, or pursuing education. Wellness. Focus on mental, physical, and emotional well-being with images of healthy lifestyles and mindfulness practices. Abundance. Include financial growth, career advancement, or entrepreneurial success symbols. Adventure. Depict your desire for travel, exploration, and new experiences. Connection. Highlight goals related to building relationships and community. Creativity. Represent hobbies, passions, or artistic pursuits you want to explore. The transformative power of vision boards. A vision board is more than just a collage, it's a tool for self-discovery, intentionality, and transformation. It bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be by providing a visual and emotional roadmap to success. As you create and engage with your vision board for 2025, you'll find yourself more focused, motivated, and empowered to achieve your dreams. Conclusion: creating a vision board for 2025 success is an empowering way to set your intentions and turn your dreams into actionable goals. You cultivate clarity, focus, and motivation by reflecting on your aspirations, gathering meaningful images and words, and engaging with your vision board daily. Crafting and using a vision board is a journey of self-discovery that encourages you to dream big, stay committed, and celebrate every step of your progress. So grab your materials, open your favorite design tool, and start building your vision board today. Let 2025 be the year you embrace your full potential, take inspired action, and create the life you've always imagined. The future is yours to shape one goal, one vision, and one step at a time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.